Here's how you can make
Pizza!
from Peppa Pig.
Could you please mix this flour and water together with your fingers?
It's all sticky and stretchy.
Watch this. Hoopla!
George, please smooth the tomato over the pizzas.
I like making pizza. I'm doing little tomatoes for the eyes and sweet corn for the mouth. I like funny faces. These are the best pizzas in the world ever.
I don't know what Peppa Pig was thinking about adding corn to a pizza. I never had corn on a pizza. It's kind of weird. It's a bit sweet. I would like some cheese on my pizza. I'm not really a big fan of the corn. I do like how they added basil on top. Yeah, it just seems like it's missing something. I actually have another one in the oven right now where I added cheese. I got some leftover cheese here, so I think this is going to be better. Yeah, you need cheese on a pizza. If you don't have cheese, can you really call it a pizza? If I have to rate this, I'm gonna give it maybe a 6.1 out of 10. I like the sauce, I like the dough, not a huge fan of the corn topping, and it needs cheese.